Hello guys and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy Shiba Inu using Trust Wallets. Step by step. Alright, let's get in. First of all, you're going to have to locate your Trust Wallet app, which is on my home screen right now. That's what we are using today. While you're logging into Trust Wallet, you'd be asked to put in your login password, which I've done so. And in order to buy Shiba Inu, you'd first have to search for it by using the toggle icon to the top right corner of your screen, and you paste in the Shiba Inu contract address, which you might have copied, and you switch it on, and Shiba Inu is made available. You could simply click on Buy SHIB, and you'd be given different exchange platforms in which you can buy Shiba Inu directly from, MoonPay and Simpleplex, or you could rather use the DApps or from the DApps section, Pancakeswap exchange, once you're logged into Pancakeswap, you change the network to Ethereum. You'd be asked for permission to connect your wallet, which you click connect, and you're good to go. In order to buy from Pancakeswap the SHIB coin, you have to select or paste the custom address you might have, and you'd import Shiba Inu. You click on I understand and you click import, and you could set the slippage tolerance to whatever amount you'd need and at what rate you'd want to get the SHIB coin per Ethereum for. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in. Comment down below if you have any questions on how to buy Shiba Inu from Trust Wallet. Thank you.